welcome back to Build by Apes. So we already get this fairing on this Vixion, but we are not done yet. Today we're just chilling in the garage with Wahyu.
Hello guys, I'm your mechanic today.
And we're gonna putting a few more parts on this bike. So let's see how it looks. Alright, so the front look amazing with the new fairing, right? But if you look at the back, standard dual seat, it just doesn't match the bike. We're gonna take this off and put the single seat cover like this, put this on and see how it looks. I hope it's perfect.
Because the single seat cover doesn't fit perfectly on the original seat, we have to make some adjustment. As you can see here, I've already marked the line that we will cut through, and then let's take a closer look about the fitment on the seat. Look, I have already marked the line same level as the original seat for this Vixion R, right? Okay. And now we're gonna cut the single seat cover. Now let's cut the line that we already make in the seat cover. As you can see, I'm gonna use this plate as a clamp for this single-seater cover to fit perfectly to the original seat. I'm gonna use this like this. I'm gonna bend the plate and cut the bracket till it fit perfectly to this hole right here. As you can see, this is a hole that already has by it. And then we're gonna use this hole to make a perfect fit. Okay, let's have a look. As you can see, I didn't use the hole for the screw, so I used the natural techniques of the seat cover to fit to the original seat by the way that this bracket clamp the seat cover to the original seat. So it's very easy to remove, and then we can adjust the bracket. If the bracket has loosened the grip, we can easily tighten the bracket by pressing the plate down to the seat like this, and then it will be tight again. It is easy to remove and it is easy to install. Now we install the seat to the motorcycle.
We're gonna add the front plate bracket right here, because the old one was stupid. They drilled the visor and it's not looking good.
To add this front plate bracket, firstly, you have to remove 4 Phillips screw that located in here. 1, here 2, here 3, and there 4. After you remove the 4 Phillips screw, you have to remove the light socket like this. There are 2 light sockets like this, yeah.
So for the rear end of this bike, we're gonna remove the original fender and change it with this tail tidy, and we're gonna add the LED sign lamp on this.
For installing the stop lamp and the sign lamp, it's not pretty much adjustment. It definitely plug and play. The wiring, the brackets, the screw, everything is in its position. So we just replace the original with this custom one. As you can see, it fits perfectly.
Alright guys, we just finished. Everything is on. It looks way better now and it looks super sharp. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.